You know, Dollar Tree, you know, you guys ain't doing nothing but showing out. You know, you showing out at this point, okay? You're showing out. Look at this big old bottle. Now, this is the Cozy Place. One thing I know about the Cozy Place, they candles and they plug-in refills smells absolutely amazing. When you come to Dollar Tree, it's the candles that have the 2 in a package, not the single one, not the single one, honey, all right? You ain't gonna be out in these streets saying, you know, I done told you that. But this, look at this. Citrus, blossom, and bamboo, air and fabric freshener. If this don't give you fancy vibes, I don't know what do, my love. And it's, where are you going with that, Amani?
So my neck don't hurt anymore.
Honey, if I'm lying, I'm flying, and I don't have no wings. Look at these new items, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is giving me fancy pantsy, okay? They giving me that, you know, they moving on up like the Jeffersons. They giving me life. Check these new items out. I'm not gonna say no more.
They also got some of these picture frames for you guys. Even these other ones. We are all made of
stars.
Stars.
Okay, so this is $1.25, and this is just the cord that they had. But what really got me was the Never Stop Dreaming. This is so cute. Absolutely love this. They also have this one as well. Life is what you make it. And honey, last time I checked, that's about right. So you know how I say I'm gonna have you move your feet out in these Dollar Tree streets? Look. See, my intuition was like, girl, you need to come to this Dollar Tree. I said, oh, tell me no more. All right, so this is the Garnier SkinActive Micellar Cleansing Jelly Water. $1.25. Where are you going to get these items from? For $1.25. Still do. Another item that you absolutely want to try, especially if you shave. Now, honey, let me tell you something. I don't even have a microwave, but this looked so fancy to me. I purchased one, the wax and dye. These are Nads hair removal. They sell this at Ulta for about $15. When I tell you a steal deal, face, body, bikini, underarms, and Dollar Tree definitely put it on here. Caution, honey, you cannot eat. This is not a treat. They have you move your feet. Another new item that Dollar Tree has is the Echo Tools Clean Body, Clean Planet Infused Facial Pads. Rose, it has, and then also charcoal infused. Child, this is movie groovy. And I'm trying to see, oh, so it's 3 deep exfoliations. Clean, rinse, and lay flat to dry. Replace every 30 days. This is good. Oh my goodness, honey. So it's so funny. The other day I was just on Google and I had seen that this item went viral and they sell out really quick. Is the Cosmic Brownie Ice Cream. These are $3. The word on the street is that they taste absolutely good. They also have the strawberry shortcake. Definitely would have gotten that one if they had it. But honey, I'm not even close to my home right now, so that wouldn't work because honey, we out in the sun. And they also have these trolley gummy pops. Oh, these are $5. 10 of these. Oh, this is good. And this one is cherry lemon. Always come to the frozen aisle. The frozen aisle, they have some good food over here at times, some good snacks. Honey, Dollar Tree is moving and grooving. So I heard that you wanted to get into the DIYs. Okay, look no further. It's so funny because a few weeks ago, I was looking to see if Dollar Tree had hot glue, the hot glue brand. Honey, yes, they do. This is $5. Honey, I know. Didn't I tell you I'm gonna have you move your feet out in these Dollar Tree streets? You thought I was playing? If you guys have not seen the lip balms, you better run to Dollar Tree. If you have a goddaughter, if you have a little girl, tell you something, they have the Disney Princess Hydrating Lip Balm. You get 2 for $1.25. They also have Late for Everything. This is $1.25 as well. Alice in Wonderland. Love this. This is so cute. If you guys have not purchased this shag, I want you to give this a try. This smells so divine. Sugar key lemon scents, especially days like this. It's really humid, hot. Also have the sweet pineapple and melon scented. Honey, so I purchased both of these and ask me how long this lasts. Ask me. So my children, they have this concept in their minds too, I believe, that the more they use, the cleaner they gonna be. Yeah, child, that's what I'm saying. Now, when it comes to hairband fashions, Dollar Tree got them beat. They gonna have you move your feet. Well, technically I am. The hairbands, these are, honey, and it goes right with the nails. Get into it, girls. Get into it, honey. They also have these headbands as well. These are cute. $1.25. Oh, child. Okay. Look at this. Movie groovy. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to deliver. Honey, I have no other choice but to serve you good, folks. Check these items out. You're going to like this fancy pantsy mancy. Did you guys miss me? I definitely missed you guys. Okay, listen, I know. I think the last time I uploaded was probably like 3 days ago. But honey, I'm back. I'm back in the flesh today. A place to be. And I'm going to have you move your feet. Treats. Let's take a look at what they have. Also, listen, we coming straight out the door with the 4-4. Listen, Dollar Tree have the 6 pairs. Look at these Reese socks, $5. They also have the Jolly Ranchers. This is $5, 6 pairs as well. They also have the Blow Pop Junior Mints and Sugar Babies. Honey, is giving life. But what really did it for me, I'm not even gonna hold you, is the Marilyn Monroe socks for the kids. Look at these. How cute. Now, 10 of these girl quarters for $5. If that's not a steal deal, honey, I don't know what else to tell you. And if you looking for some movie groovy candles, okay, this is giving definitely Halloween theme. Absolutely love this movie. Every time I see this, I think of the movie Coco, okay? One of my faves. These are $1.50. Really cute. So if you guys are looking for a checklist, blackboard checklist, these are cute. For 7 days of the week, these are $1.25. Now, I think this is new. Oh, child. Hold on, I'm getting excited. Listen, Dollar Tree has these decor items right here. These are $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have these notepads right here. Ooh, child is giving me money. These are $5, but I love this. And I told you guys very soon I'm selling notepads like journals. Let me know if you guys want to see that, okay? If you gonna purchase, let me know in the comment section. Now, Dollar Tree also have these as well, notes and ideas. These are $3. They also have some office boards over here, $5. Now, other items that Dollar Tree has is this touch control lamps. These are very cute. $5 gold. Absolutely love this. They also have the black one as well. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 12 balloon sticks. These are cute. Look at this. Birthday parties, holidays. Honey, whenever you feeling movie groovy for some balloons, you come on down to Dollar Tree and get you the balloon sticks. Now listen, you're looking for Dollar Tree back to school items, honey, they definitely has it. These 10 pencils, $1.25. This is a steal deal. They also have these keychains over here, $1.25. Look at this with the moon. This is really cute. And then they also have these push pins. This is nice, $1.25 for 6. And if you really wanted to do it with a bang, honey, look at the spiral notebooks. This 60 sheets for $1.25. They also have the 300 sticky notes for $1.25 as well. Really cute. Desk notepads, $1.25. Stay organized. One thing about Dollar Tree, honey, they gonna definitely have some organization items for you to stay organized. These are cute. Pencil sharpeners, 2 pieces for $1.25. And what about the acrylic note board, $1.25. Get into that. So To the people out there that loves the floral items, okay, the flowers, the indoor items, check these out. You for school. So Dollar Tree has the floral and accessories over here. Now, do understand that their items have went up to $1.75. These are given fancy. Absolutely fancy. Love this. Really.
Homework paper sheets that you need to fill out.
How much is that?
He said all home.
$1.25.
Okay. So Dollar Tree also have these items right here. It's giving me jungle vibes, okay? This is really, really cute. So again, these are $1.75, just FYI, honey.
You have one though.
So if you guys are looking for the zipper pencil pouch, I know you're like, who, Dina, zippers, pencil, honey, just the pouch, okay? These are $1.25. Love this. Look at this. Really, really cute. Oh, it's the neon colors for me. Highlighters they have, you get 40s for $1.25. The zip grip, $1.25 as well. They also
They have
have,
these notebooks. The scribble one is my favorite.
and these are $1.25. These composition notebooks. This is a pug.
And then they also have another that's a little cute puppy that's in the top. And just relaxing, and it's $1.25.
All right, family, let us know in the comment section what was your favorite items. Mine's definitely was the jelly cleansing water that was $1.25. Really, really good. That, honey, that was a steal deal. That just knocked the ball out the park, okay, completely. Now, what was yours?
Mine was the purple sparkly notebook.
Oh, okay.
With the puppies too.
All right, so with that being said, I catch you guys on the next one. Rock out, believing in yourself. You want to say anything?
Yeah. Bye.
Rock out, believe in yourselves, honey. We're on our way to the park right now. Until next time. Peace.